Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily hide the preview display on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So, as you guys can see, we are in the Camera Hub app, which is the app designed for ELGATO cameras. Now, if you want to hide the entire display here, not by clicking here, just hide it all, simply click here, and as you guys can see, now it's all gone, and what we have here is only those settings. So now, as you guys can see, we're back, and this is how you can easily hide it. So thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.